Hello garden lovers, welcome to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform ordinary outdoor spaces into extraordinary havens. Today, we're diving deep into the world of modern garden planters, an essential element for anyone looking to create a stylish, functional, and visually appealing outdoor environment. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Modern garden planters. This isn't about mere plant containers. It's about making deliberate design choices that reflect contemporary aesthetics and enhance your landscape. When we talk about modern garden planter design, we are referring to a distinct aesthetic that emphasizes clean lines, geometric shapes, and often a minimalist approach. It's a departure from the ornate or rustic styles of the past, focusing instead on simplicity, functionality, and a seamless integration with modern architecture. Modern planters are characterized by their sleek silhouettes, often appearing as sculptural elements even without plants. They embrace neutral color palettes, such as various shades of gray, black, white, and natural tones of wood or metal, allowing the form and the plant material itself to be the primary focus. The goal is to create a sense of order, sophistication, and a refined connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. This design philosophy values impactful statements through thoughtful placement and selection, rather than excessive ornamentation. The benefits of incorporating modern garden planter designs into your outdoor space are numerous and extend beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, they offer unparalleled versatility. Modern planters can define spaces, create focal points, or even act as natural barriers, making them ideal for everything from compact urban balconies to expansive suburban gardens. Secondly, they allow for mobility and flexibility. Unlike in-ground, planting container gardens can be rearranged with ease, offering you the freedom to refresh your layout, optimize sun exposure for your plants, or even bring delicate specimens indoors during inclement weather. This portability is a game changer for dynamic outdoor living. Thirdly, modern planters are excellent for plant health management. They provide controlled environments for root growth, drainage, and soil composition, which can be particularly beneficial for specific plant species or for managing invasive plants. Furthermore, they contribute to a low-maintenance landscape. Many modern materials are designed for durability and require minimal upkeep, while the contained nature of planter gardens often simplifies weeding and pest control. Finally, they significantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your property, adding a contemporary edge and increasing its visual appeal. Designing beautiful modern garden planters involves a strategic blend of simplicity, form, and plant selection. The key is to think of your planters not just as containers, but as integral components of your outdoor decor. Begin by considering the principle of less is more. Opt for a limited, impactful plant palette that complements the clean lines of your chosen planters. Think about contrasting textures and varying heights within a single planter or across a grouping. For instance, a tall architectural plant, like a snake plant or ornamental grass, can be paired with a trailing succulent to create visual interest and depth. Another crucial aspect is grouping. Arranging planters in clusters of varying sizes and heights can create a dynamic and visually appealing display. Aim for odd numbers when grouping. 3 or 5 planters often feel more natural and less static than even numbers. Consider the scale and proportion of your planters relative to the overall space. A large singular statement planter can anchor a corner, while a series of smaller identical planters can define a pathway or border. Color is also important. While modern design leans into neutral planter tones, you can introduce pops of vibrant color through your plant choices or subtle accents. Ensure proper drainage is in place to maintain plant health, as beautiful plants are essential for a beautiful planter. Finally, maintain consistency in your chosen materials and finishes across your planters to achieve a cohesive and sophisticated look throughout your garden. What are the best materials for modern garden planters design? The best materials for modern garden planter design are those that offer durability, a sleek aesthetic, and often a low-maintenance profile. Each material has its own unique characteristics and benefits. 1. Concrete. Concrete planters are highly favored for their robust, substantial presence and minimalist appearance. They are incredibly durable, weather-resistant, and provide excellent stability, making them ideal for large plants or high-wind areas. While heavy, their industrial appeal fits perfectly with modern design. They can be left in their natural, gray finish or painted for a custom look. 2. Fiberglass. Fiberglass is a lightweight yet extremely strong composite material that has become a staple in modern planter design. It's resistant to cracking, fading, and temperature fluctuations, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Fiberglass planters offer incredible versatility in terms of shapes and sizes, from tall, slender cylinders to broad, shallow bowls, and can mimic the appearance of other materials like concrete or metal. Their lightweight nature makes them easy to move and rearrange. 3. Metal. Aluminum is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and can be powder-coated in various colors, offering a sleek, refined finish. Corten steel or weathering steel develops a beautiful, rust-like patina over time, creating a unique, organic, and industrial look that blends well with natural elements while retaining a modern feel. It's exceptionally durable. Stainless steel offers a highly polished, sophisticated, and reflective surface that exudes luxury and modernity, though it can be more expensive. 4. High-density polyethylene or HDPE plastic. Modern plastic planters, particularly those made from UV-stabilized HDPE, have come a long way from their flimsy predecessors. They are lightweight, affordable, and incredibly durable, resisting cracking and fading. Many are designed to mimic the appearance of concrete, metal, or stone, providing a cost-effective and low-maintenance option for achieving a modern aesthetic. 5. Stone composites. These materials, often a blend of crushed stone and resin, offer the look and feel of natural stone without the extreme weight or cost. They are durable, weather-resistant, and come in a variety of natural hues, fitting well with a refined, earthy modern design. When selecting materials, consider the climate, the desired level of maintenance, and the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. For long-term investment and superior performance, fiberglass and concrete are often top contenders, but modern plastic and metal options also provide excellent solutions. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best modern garden planter design ideas, offering detailed ideas to inspire your next outdoor project. 1. Geometric cube planters. These fundamental, clean-lined cubes in varying sizes create a structured and cohesive look. Often seen in materials like concrete, dark metal, or matte fiberglass, they provide a strong architectural presence. Grouping several cubes of different heights with a single impactful plant in each, e.g., a tall ornamental grass in one, a low succulent in another, creates a dynamic yet organized display. 2. Sleek cylindrical planters. Tall, slender cylindrical planters offer vertical interest and elegance. Made from polished metal, smooth fiberglass, or dark ceramic, they draw the eye upwards and are perfect for framing entrances or creating a sense of rhythm along a pathway. They work beautifully with sculptural plants like bamboo, tall dracaena, or slender evergreens. 3. Low and wide trough planters. These elongated, shallow planters are excellent for defining spaces, creating linear garden beds on patios, or serving as minimalist centerpieces. Materials like corten steel, raw concrete, or long fiberglass boxes in charcoal or white are common. They are ideal for mass plantings of low-growing grasses, succulents, or colorful annuals, creating a continuous band of greenery. 4. Tapered or conical planters. Offering a subtle flair while maintaining clean lines, tapered planters add a touch of sophistication. Their wider tops allow for substantial planting, while the narrowing base provides a sense of elevation and lightness. Fiberglass and molded plastic are popular materials for these shapes, often in understated neutral tones. They are versatile for both solitary statement plants and fuller arrangements. 5. Modular planter systems. For ultimate flexibility, consider modular planters that can be connected or stacked to create custom configurations. These systems allow for adaptable designs, from privacy screens to terraced displays. Materials are typically durable plastics, metals, or lightweight composites designed for easy assembly and rearrangement, providing a truly customizable modern garden. 6. Textured concrete planters. Moving beyond smooth finishes, modern concrete planters can incorporate subtle textures like ribbed patterns or aggregate finishes. This adds a tactile dimension without compromising the minimalist aesthetic. These textures can enhance the visual interest of the planter itself, creating depth that catches light and shadow beautifully. 7. Fiberglass planters with high-gloss finish. While matte finishes are popular, a high-gloss fiberglass planter in black, white, or a bold accent color can make a striking statement. The reflective surface adds a touch of luxury and can mirror the surrounding environment, blending the planter seamlessly while still standing out. 8. Stacked or tiered planters. Create vertical gardens or multi-level displays using planters designed to stack or integrate into tiered structures. This maximizes planting space in compact areas and adds architectural interest. Materials like metal frames with integrated planter boxes or custom-designed concrete tiers are common. 9. Integrated planters with seating. For a truly functional modern design, consider planters that incorporate seating elements. This could be a low, wide planter box with a flush wooden top that doubles as a bench, or a larger planter that forms part of a built-in outdoor living space. Materials are typically wood, concrete, or metal, designed for both planting and comfortable interaction. 10. Planters with integrated lighting. Modern planters can go beyond daylight aesthetics by incorporating subtle LED lighting. This illuminates the plants from below or within the planter itself, creating a dramatic and inviting ambiance for evening enjoyment. This feature often utilizes durable, weather-resistant materials like metal or reinforced plastics to house the lighting elements securely. Modern garden planters are more than just containers. They are fundamental design elements that can redefine your outdoor living space. By understanding the principles of modern design, leveraging the benefits of these versatile pieces, and carefully selecting materials and plant combinations, you can create a garden that is both aesthetically stunning and remarkably functional. Your outdoor area can truly become an extension of your home, reflecting a contemporary style that is both clean and inviting. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and inspiration, and share your favorite modern planter designs in the comments below. We love to see how you're transforming your outdoor spaces.